You must go here and to see those things. We are walking around here at Binondo, so the most popular and trademark that you can see is the one that I need to be experienced. I need to experience. All right, look at this. Wow. I don't know what's that wishing well, or that wishing well. I don't know if it's a pound thing that, yo, it must be crazy, guys. It must be crazy. So I'm going to come near and to try and to check what inside of those fountain. So look at that more closely. So here we go, guys. Yo, too much. So there have a lot of brush that you can see here. And look at this, the old China town in the Philippines. So we are going to find out what we can see here. Alright, there we go. There you go. We're going to there, and let's see what we can see here. We are here at Binondo, guys. Everyone, we are here at Binondo. Alright. First thing that we can see is the streets composed of dragons. Then, wow, there's a lot of food that we can. There's a lot of food that you can see here. Fruits. And this is my first time that I'm walking around here at the oldest China town in the Philippines. Yep. Too many golds. And still we are walking around here on the right, guys. Yo, actually I'm looking for something that we can eat here. Alright, I think I got one, bro. Yo, where's... We need to try the Meow first. Alright. Hello, ate. How much this one?
35.
35?
Yes.
Okay, can I have one? Alright. So we must try the Meow food. Alright.
No Meow.
What's the inside of that food?
Pork.
It's a pork. Alright, no Meow, guys. No Meow. So we need to try this. We are here at Binondo, right, guys? So only for 35 pesos. And then Ate is a good vendor here. So, and how about this one, Ate? How much is one? Gulaman.
Yes.
So how much that one?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. Okay, can I have one also?
Yes.
One for pork. What do you call about this one? Asado. Alright, and then one gulaman. Alright. Is it alright if I'm gonna eat in this place? Alright, thank you, ate. So 35 pesos and 10 pesos. Alright. Keep the change, ate. Alright. So today we're going to try these foods that we can eat here. Alright. So yo, the drinks is good. Next we are trying here. So we need to move closer because there's a lot of motorcycle riding here. Then, alright. This is not a Meow guys. This is a pork asado. Alright? We're gonna try this one. Good. Yo, sauce is better than nothing. So freaking good. Everyone, if you are going to travel, don't forget to go in this place and look at it for this great food and great drinks. Alright? So maybe we can walk around and discover more. Alright, we're gonna walk and we will see more here. Alright? We will try to see more everything here that we can see. Alright? Thank you, ate. Alright guys, keep walking. And we are going to try it. This food is good. I didn't expect this one. Alright? So as you can see, we're keep walking and we can see here more people walking here right now. Wow. Wow, so good, so great. So I don't know where am I. I don't know where am I right now. I kind of lost, but I'm trying to see something that we can see here right now. I'm trying, and I'm expecting more things that I can see here right now. The Meow is good. No, it's a pork. It's a saddle. It's a saddle. So as you can see, not too many people are walking around here. Alright. I see something that more on that interesting. Like a Chinese, I don't know, Chinese facilities. Yo, I feel like I am in China. Look at that. Wow, so crazy. I felt like I am in China, bro. Yo, look at this place. So wow, this is crazy. More interesting right now. So let's see and try the other side. So as you can see, we're walking while eating. So we're going to see and just explore more here. Alright.